Hello guys, it's me again. So today we're going to show you how to make a mug of hot cocoa. Now, first, importantly, you need to know these ingredients. Of course, first, how could you drink something without a cup? So we'll need a perfect cup here. Second, you might not have this, but you'll need some hot cocoa powder, because how can you drink hot cocoa without its powder? Okay, then you can use hot milk. I know no one drinks hot milk, but anyways. But if you don't have milk, you can use hot water, but I prefer hot milk. Now, if you love marshmallows, that's what you need for a hot cocoa. I need marshmallow earrings. Just kidding. Okay, so the first step is take one big scoop of hot cocoa powder. Then pour it straight in. There you go, Miss Hot Cocoa Powder. Now, you'll take the hot milk, carefully pour it in. Careful, careful. Whoa, 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 whoa. All of it? All of it. Okay. All of it that your family prepared, I guess. Now, take your spoon once more, or whatever you want, and just spin it around and mix it up. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it until it looks beautiful white. Mixy mix. Mixy, mixy, mix. Now it's probably cooled down a little bit. So if you should grab your spoon again. Put up a little bit. Oh, this tastes great. It's a little hot, but it's okay for my taste. Okay, so now that I'm eating my hot cocoa, see you in 1 second. I'm making my next video really soon. Bye!